Hello, my name is Bennett and I'm a plumber here at Maxwell-White Water Conditioning. When you're dealing with difficult water quality issues, there's a lot to consider when looking for the right kind of water machine. This video series goes through the different options we offer, what the machine does for your water quality, and how it affects your water quality. In this video, I'm going to talk about our reverse osmosis systems. I'll tell you what they do in the areas in the Coulee region that need them, the lifespan and efficiency of the machine, the warranty and the difference between these and big box store ROs, and finally, how your water quality is affected if you choose to forego installing one when it's needed. While our other machines protect your pipes and appliances, a reverse osmosis system, or RO, is all about protecting you and your family. RO is designed to provide bottled water quality right at your kitchen tap. This is especially vital for private wells in the Coulee region where we might see issues like nitrates from agriculture runoff, arsenic, lead, or just high total dissolved solids that give water a bad taste. Even if you have a softener, these contaminants can still be present in your drinking water. Here's how it works. The system pushes water under pressure through a membrane. This membrane is so fine that it allows water molecules to pass through but blocks almost everything else, dissolves salts, metals, chemicals, and impurities. Our systems also use pre-filters to catch sediment and chlorine before they hit the membrane, and a post-filter to polish the water for a crisp, fresh taste. It's a multi-stage defense system for your drinking water. In terms of lifespan, an under-the-sink RO system like the microline models we install can remain functional for 5 to 10 years or more. The membrane itself typically lasts 2 to 5 years depending on your water quality, while the pre and post filters are simple replacements you do every 6 to 12 months. Efficiency is also a key factor. Older RO systems used to waste a lot of water, but modern high-efficiency designs have significantly improved the ratio of purified water to wastewater, making them a responsible choice for your home. You will see RO systems on the shelf at big box stores, but there are significant quality differences. Dealer-grade systems use superior fittings and tubing that drastically reduce the risk of leaks under your sink. They also use higher quality membranes that provide consistent contaminant removal rates. Cheap DIY units often have lower grade seals and membranes that degrade quickly, meaning you might think you are filtering out lead or nitrates, but the system has actually failed. With a professional unit, you have the peace of mind knowing it's working exactly as rated. What happens if you don't have one? Well, unlike hard water that ruins your pipes, the risk here is often invisible. You could be consuming nitrates, arsenic, or lead for years without knowing it. You might also just settle for water that tastes off or smells chemical, forcing you to buy endless cases of bottled water, which is expensive and bad for the environment. Installing an RO system gives you a dedicated faucet for cooking and drinking that you can trust 100%. Offering safety and purity that standard filters just can't match. I hope this was helpful and educational. If you're in need of better water quality, schedule a meeting with us with the link below in the description or call us at 608-781-8088. Thanks, and we look forward to working with you.